Meet Mike.
Hey, how's it going?
Mike is an IPC with Mirinda. He loves the products, the business opportunity, and more importantly, he loves the rewards he's receiving for sharing Mirinda's opportunity with others.
That is definitely true.
Now, you're probably asking yourself, how is Mike rewarded?
No way. Get out of my brain.
Well, anytime Mike shares Mirinda's opportunity with a friend or family member, he earns a Fast Start bonus, which pays him 20% of the new IPC's purchases for the first 60 days. Let me show you how it works. Meet Maria.
Hi.
She and Mike are friends.
Hey, Mike.
Hey, Maria.
Mike has been talking to Maria about Mirinda. She decides to join the company as an IPC and makes a purchase. Thanks to Maria, Mike earns a Fast Start bonus.
Wahoo!
He gets 20% of the commissionable volume from her order. This happens to Mike every time he recruits a new IPC. Every IPC can qualify for this bonus as long as they're active on 120 AutoShip. That's it. That's the requirement to make money on new IPC purchases. So, Mike will continue to earn 20% on Maria's purchases for 60 days.
But when do I get paid?
Fast Start is paid out each Friday of the following week, which means Mike gets his money in time to party on the weekend. Now, there are more ways that Mike can benefit from the Fast Start bonus. Say Maria signs up her friend Jenny. Maria will then earn 20% of the commissionable volume from Jenny's purchases, and Mike will earn 5%. Commissions are paid out through 5 generations of personal sponsors. So you can see that there's incentive to help your downline share the business opportunity.
I'll say.
No matter which percentage they earn, each of these IPCs have the same requirements as Mike. Let's review how that works. Make sure you're on a 120 AutoShip option and share Mirinda's products or business opportunity with a friend or family member.
I think this can really help you out.
You'll then make 20% of the new IPC's purchases for the first 60 days.
Hey, sounds great.
Start taking advantage of the Fast Start bonus. Set a goal to earn a Fast Start check next week by sharing the products and business opportunity today. Please refer to the person who shared this video with you for full details on the Mirinda compensation plan.